Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing, and I hope you guys are enjoying September so far. Please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't, and in case you do not want to miss any other videos that's coming up every day of this month till 26th, which is my birthday. So I'm like trying to make this special since I'll be turning 28 this year. But yeah, that's all to begin with. Let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting off with the foundation first. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer. This is in the shade Sand Beige. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown concealer in the shade Honey. I'm just going to take it onto my finger and tap it underneath my eyes. Also a little bit on top of this pimple here because I get like severely red over here. And then I'm gonna set everything using the Makeup Forever HD translucent powder. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows using the Benefit Brow Zings in the shade number 6. So for my eyes today, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So I'm going to start by applying this shade, which is a matte bottle green shade, all over my eyes first. Now I'm going to take the shade and apply it on top of where we have applied the bottle green color. So I just applied a little bit onto my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to use the Lana Lash today from Huda Beauty. So I'm just going to line my waterline using this gel eyeliner from NELF. I'm just going to take my favorite mascara at the moment. This one's from MAC. It is their Up For Everything lash. I'm going to use that to blend my natural lashes with the falsies. Just one coat, and then apply it onto my lower lashes. So for blush today, I'm going to use this one from Faces. This is their Perfect Blush in Perfect Cinnamon. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette since we're already trying her other products. I think I'm just gonna like dip into these two shades right here. This one's Tahiti and this one's Seychelles. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bombshell. So that's it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and for all your kind love and support for September. I am super excited to bring you guys more videos, and that's it for today. Thank you so much. Please be subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.